Hi everyone. Welcome to Pamela's Creations. I'm Pam. Yay. I want to take a quick moment to thank you to all my new subscribers. I'm actually a little over 300 now. What? I didn't ever think never thought I'd get that. Thank you for all my returning subscribers for sticking with me. I am trying to put more videos out. I just have a house full of people, so trying to find a spot. I'm redoing my room for filming and stuff like that, so I can do a couple of tutorials that I want to do. So I'm on here to do a Lion Brand unboxing. Yeah, unboxing. Lion Brand. Yes, I'm excited. So, she asked me what colors I liked, and of course I like these type of colors. And this one is called Pastel Pixie. Look at that, isn't that pretty? I got two of them. Yeah, I got two of them. Put them down. And then I got, she had me pick them out. This one's called Lotus Blossom. Aren't those cute? I haven't had shawl and a ball in a while, but the last time I had shawl and a ball, oh no, it was shawl and a cake, which is the same thing. I was very unsuccessful using it because something happened and I couldn't frog it out, and I had problems with it. So Lion Brand sent me another cake because I had so many issues and so many problems. By the way, if you ever have a problem with your yarn, Lion Brand is really good about replacing your yarn. All you gotta do is, usually they want a picture or something, but every time I had a problem with Lion Brand, no problem. I got like a response quickly, and with days or a couple days I sent it out. They were really good about that. Let's see here. I love this one too. This one's called Wind Chimes. Isn't that pretty? This one, I had gotten two of them. My sister had ordered two of them, and they only sent me one. So we called them on the phone this morning, and they're sending another skein out. And then this is one of my favorite ones here. This one's called Unique Unicorn. This is one of my favorite colors. Look at that. I couldn't believe the prettiness and awesomeness of this one. Isn't that pretty? Two of them. And the last one here is Mellow Muse. Oh, this one's really pretty. Look at that. Sorry guys, a truck. Semi-trucks. Sorry about that. Anyway. Look at this, isn't that pretty? So, I got two of them. So, yeah. So that was my unboxing. So these are all, I'm sure you all seen YouTube videos. There's a lot of people that did the shawl and the ball orders. But these are just a brief thing on it. It's an acrylic yarn. So it's 61% cotton, 34% acrylic, and 5% other fibers. and it is a 4-weight. I never understood that because you know how thin it is. Yeah, it's really thin. Yeah, it's really pretty 4-weight, but it's gotta be a really light 4-weight. Plans for these? I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see a shawl, maybe a poncho, maybe a blouse, shirt, or like a cardigan of some sort. I don't know. I have to be in the right frame of mind to be using these because I struggle with it a little bit. I don't know if all you guys do that either, but I like it. It's very pretty. And see the picture on that? Oops. Sorry about that. I may try making that. I don't know. And I got a box of Happy Mail. And let's see, watercolor hues. It is okay. So I got 4 of these, and this is really pretty. I'm thinking, what do you guys think? It's called Mod Behavior. That's the color. It is 100% acrylic. It's a bulky number 6. It has 63 yards, 99 grams, 3.5 ounces, 58 meters. Isn't that pretty? And I've got 4 of them. Ideas, let me know. Shawl, hats, cowl, a little lap blanket, and it's super soft. The next one I got is called Apple Butter Bash Luxe Lollies, and I got 2 of them. And look at these. These are 502 yards. Holy cow. And it's a 4-weight. Is this like a different, you know, when you crochet with it, different size yarns? I got 2 of them. And has everybody used any Luxe Lollies? I have 2 of my own I got from Hobby Lobby. But, yeah. I'm not sure. Anyway, there's 2 of those. And I got 3 of these. This is called Sticky Buns. Sticky Buns, oh, cinnamon roll, right? Yeah. With a nice hot cup of coffee. Oh, speaking of that, guess what's coming out? I mean, my little coffee stand I have here serves them all year round. But I don't care for them here as much as I like them at Starbucks. I'm not a fan of Starbucks, but guess what's coming out? Pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin is my favorite. I eat pumpkin everything. Well, sweet. Anyway, pumpkin coffee, pumpkin candy, pumpkin pie, pumpkin donuts. Yeah, I'm on a diet, guys. This I have really got to be careful. Oh my gosh, pumpkin spice lattes. And they said it was coming out early too. Anyway, I gotta stop that. So anyways, I am going to be doing something special for my 300 subscribers. So I'm just not sure yet. I'm gonna lay down the groundwork here. I'm gonna figure out, see what I got, see what I can get, and go from there. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna be putting a shout out video in here real soon, sometime today. I'm going to get off here. I hope you enjoyed my video and share me. And like I said, I want to grow this channel. And yeah, so just please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. And I'm going to go make myself a cup of coffee again because I didn't finish all my coffee. I know, right? And with that said, take care of one another and many blessings to you all.